Our bite of the week comes from Prime Minister Andrew Holness. He was condemning gunmen who executed 8 people and injured 9 in Churchill Lane, Clarendon on Sunday. Here's our bite of the week.
Take my words very seriously. I am personally looking on all areas of the organization to ensure that all the resources necessary from the state, whether it is the financing, whether it is the international cooperation, whether it is the legislative support, will be made available to the security forces to pursue this relentlessly. They must either meet a judge or meet their maker.